Today we are going to talk about your families. I will ask you some questions. Please try to answer in complete sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
How many people are there in your family?
My family has 5 people. My father, my mother, my 2 sisters and me.
What is your father name and job?
My father name is Kumsawat, he is soldier.
What is your mother name and job?
My mother name is Kumsamut, she is housewife.
Do you have any brother or sister?
I have 2 sisters but I don't have brother.
Who is the oldest person in your family?
The oldest person in my family is my grandmother.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
What do you usually do with your family on the weekend?
On the weekend, we go to shopping and go to restaurant.
Do you have a big or small family?
I think I have a small family.
Who do you talk to the most in your family?
I talk to my mother the most because she always listen to me.
Do you love your family? Why or why not?
Yes, because they always take care about me and give good advice for me.
Thank you for answering all the questions about your family. You did a good job. That is the end of your speaking test, and we'll see you again soon.